Look at that. That's what you should have in your mouth. The earth wants to feed you, and you're telling it you don't want it. You want it in a package where you have to pay for it. The earth is saying, listen, this is your birthright. Your birthright is to have healthy food every day. This is what the earth is telling you, and you're refusing it. You don't want that. Get a torpedo pot and let it grow your food for you. You will never, ever have to grow your food again in your life. Ever again in your life. Hey guys, welcome to my garden. My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing system called Torpedo Pot. Well, all you do is put your seeds and your plants in the planter, and it grows your food for you. You never ever have to grow your food again. We've already harvested 28 pounds of lettuce from this small area. What we do is that we created a system called Torpedo Pot, these self-growing planters. Well, all you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter, and it grows your food for you. We've already harvested 10 pounds of red cabbage, and we have a lot more to harvest. And the leaves are huge. These are huge leaves. It's beautiful. We've already harvested tomatoes from the same planters at the beginning of the year. And we've harvested other things from the same planters. Peppers. We've already harvested about 2,000 peppers, and now we've got more to harvest. And trust me, there are more peppers on this plant than you could see. And there's a lot of them all over the place. And so this year we're doing a lot of peppers. So this growing system is called Torpedo Pot. Well, all you do is put your seeds and your plants in the planters, and they grow your food for you. A natural, organic growing process. Unbelievable. And you do extremely well. You'll always have something to eat. See, your season is done, it's over with. I own Torpedo Pots, okay? All I did was throw my seeds in these planters, and it grows my food for me. So my season never stops. Your season is done, it's over with. My Torpedo Pot constantly grows my food and ensures that I always eat. Every day, every hour, fresh, wholesome food at my disposal. Torpedo Pot. It's the way to grow. You come out, pick what you want, and what you don't want, let it grow back. It'll grow back for you. You don't have to do anything. Isn't that amazing? How beautiful that is? And I'm getting in the way, but that is stunning. Stunning food. You deserve to have this food. You deserve to have this food. This is what the earth has given you. This is your right. The right to eat. This is what the earth has been giving you. Let it grow in a torpedo pot. Torpedo pot, all you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter, and it grows your radish, your trees, your bushes, and even your lettuce. Have you ever seen things so beautiful? This is what you deserve. You understand? This is what nature has to offer you, and you're turning it down. You're saying, I don't love you, nature. You're telling nature, I don't love you. I don't want what you have to offer, because I don't want to learn how to grow you and how to develop you and make your life more resilient so that you can provide food for me. That's what you're telling your plants when you don't put them in a torpedo pot. You don't care about them. You don't care about the nutrition that they have to provide for you. You're not interested in that. I'm going to thin these out, okay? DarrellAddisonTorpedoPot.com. And so it's so beautiful. I don't care what plant you put in a torpedo pot. It's almost impossible to kill a plant in a torpedo pot. Your frost has already killed your plants. Your plants are dead already. My plants are just starting, man. Look at this. Oh my God. That is beautiful. That's the future of that plant. That's how much life that lettuce is giving me. That's why you will never ever run out of food again in your life. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in the planter, and you will have food forever. Forever. This is the secret you need to know. Look how beautiful that is. Look at the flowers in that thing. Isn't that gorgeous? That is so beautiful. Touching it, just me touching it, is disturbing its very essence. Oh, that's so beautiful. So natural. That's torpedo pot. Again, all you do is put your seeds and your plants in the planter. And it literally grows your food for you. You never have to grow your food again. I want to show you something I think is so stunning. And that is my lettuce and my nasturtium. Together, these plants are so beautiful. And they just take up the sunlight, and it's just so gorgeous to look at. I love looking at it all day long. Look how fleshy this is. Look how natural that is. Because all the essentials for this crop I have is right here. I'll never ever have to purchase another seed again in my life. And I'll be able to share with you what I've grown. So now you can have it. Darryl Addison, torpedopot.com.